Hello! Welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we are going to do an unboxing of this. It's an Australian Animals grass hair kit. We have everything unboxed and we are going to plant some grass. Now that everything is in, we are going to wait for 7 days to see the result. It's the 11th day and it's sprouting really well. Well, it's not as many as we expected it to be because I buried some of the seed too deep inside, so it didn't get to sprout, but those on the upper part, they managed to sprout. So we consider that a success. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook at lovebellbell. Till then, see you and take care.